guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be teaching how to make chocolate chip cookie and Mom's favorite cookies. Here's the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need this little one, and this little one, and flour. It's this go with the flour, and the baking soda goes with this, and so does the salt. So let's get started. First, tell a grown up to heat the oven to 375. Because I was wrong, 375. Then I gotta open it. Whoops. Gotta open it. And I'm gonna do two of these, and one of the other one. It's actually kind of hard. Whoa. There's 1 cup. Here's gonna be 2 cups. 2 cups. And here's 1 cup. And then a little more. Whoa. Wow. Down. There we go. It's going to get a little messy. But it's okay. So have an adult help you keep the oven like you said. I'm not going to pour this actually. I guess I'm just going to put this in. No. My mom doesn't need to help me. I'm a big kid. And big kids do their own stuff. One of those. And the other side would be salt. I'll dump some salt in my little bowl. Salt. Lots of it. Oh, that's too much salt. No, it isn't. Now, Mommy, close it. Next this time, then mix this up. What do I mix it up with? Mommy got me the spoon to mix it up. A wooden spoon. Mix. Because you don't want that flavor. You actually do. Mix. Slowly powder mix. So that's enough. Yay. Go ahead and microwave the butter, Mommy. Next, I hand the big bowl. You move the flour out of the way and take a bigger bowl. Next, I'm gonna add my sugar. Make sure you zap the butter in the microwave for 20 seconds. Then open this. You need a spoon because if you get it up again, all of it will fall out. So you need a spoon. And then you take your spoon. I'm gonna use a spoon now. Set that down there. And then we'll just do a little hand. Now. Okay, now let's put it inside the bowl. I don't want it to fly everywhere. Here we go. That right,
That's good.
There you go, that's enough salt. That's never sugar, not salt. I'm letting Mommy add the butter. Next should be the brown sugar, but you have to pat it down. That's why I'm going to use a spoon to pat it down. I'm actually going to use my hand to pat it down. Where's my water? Oh, I need my water. I'm back with my water. Turtle. Gotta get the brown sugar. Gotta get There we punch it. Did we get it open? This time it's neat. Okay, it's open. I gotta get the bag out. There's 2 bags. Mommy, will you hold this, please? Mommy's gonna hold it for me. Yay. We gotta mash them up. So come out. Wrong side.
Okay. That's enough.
That's enough. Ah! It's flying everywhere. The brown sugar on me.
Okay, just leave.
I'm gonna pack it down, guys. See if that's enough. Pack. Pack. Okay, now we get our vanilla and pour it in. This is what it is. I don't know what it is, but you guys can read it. Oh, that's way too much vanilla. But it actually doesn't. And what's next? Oops. Wait, what is it? Where is it? Oh, the 2 eggs. I might need the cover in this. Good, I set this. And then you keep. Oh, where's the other egg? Huh? Ah, couldn't find it. Gotta get the crackers on this. Okay. Now I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm mixing it, and now you gradually put flour in and start mixing. I'll be putting the flour in and mixing. There we go. That's a little. Now we have to go. Now we have to stir it until it blends in this, because it was a lot. You gotta keep on stirring it for a while until it gets in blended, and then keep on adding stuff, but not right now. You gotta make sure you get all the flour at the edge. And now I'm mixing it. And it looks like it's all blended. Then we're gonna mix. Oh, let's put a little powder. There we go. Then we mix this in on the whole side of the bowl. It's gonna take a while, you know. Yeah. Oh, gotta get this down. Maybe start this mix. Now I'm gonna add a little more baking powder. It's not baking powder, it's flour. It's flour. I just call it baking powder, but you guys can call it whatever you want. But even though it's that. And we're gonna mix it in good. Okay, that's a little good. But I'm not going to get this yet. I gotta put a little flour, and a little more there. Now it's got mixing a lot. Now start mix it again. Mommy's gonna add it maybe next time. Next, I'm gonna do last stir. Wow. Oops, there's some in there. There we go. Mom takes the bowl. Now, after we stir this, it's going to be the best part, chocolate chip time. But first we have to stir it up good. Here's where it gets tough. Because the last part, it gets tougher. You have lots of flour. And that whole flour, we just showed you. We gotta mix this up so good. See, the lumps are going away. We gotta put this up here. I gotta like stir and get this out. Back it to you, babe. Okay, guys. There we go. Now time for chocolate chips, the best part. The chocolate chips. Look at that. Mommy is gonna. I don't need a bowl because I'm just gonna add some. Have the rest. Okay, that's a lot of chocolate chips. I know. But I'll mix them in. Time to mix them in. That's crunchy. So you gotta get them mixed in because it's cookie dough. Yuck. It's hard. Now my mom might start in a sec.
Yeah, no, no.
Wait, Mommy's gonna start. And I'll do the beautiful mist. Now it's time for me to do my beautifulness. But the chocolate chips are still lumpy. But I gotta do my beautifulness. See? Perfect. Easiest part. Now Mommy and me, are we gonna start making them? The balls? Now is the best part. I'll be right back. Now is the best part. Get the cookie scoop on. Now take my spatula and make sure they're even. Ooh. I love making chocolate chip cookies with my mommy. And it's wrong, but it's okay because it's gonna turn out good. Let's scoop a lot. Yeah. Here we go. Whoa, so cool.
Spread them out, spread them out.
Now, look at the cookies. Now we have to bake them, and we'll do the next tray while we're waiting. Mommy's gonna take them and put them in the bottom oven. Actually, I am.
Say 12 minutes.
12 minutes. So actually, I'll be right back, guys. Just open the bottom for me, Mommy. Ow. Go ahead. The cookies are cooking, and now it's time to eat the dough, the rest of it. See?
So, what's it?
Mom, you want some?
Just one game.
Get your finger.
Game time. See what feels. Who are we playing?
Nothing.
How about you get your eyes?
Here, you want to try some? Oh, no. Okay. Whenever we're making cookies, here they are. Mommy, show them the cookies. Bye-bye. Hope you like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. Even though there is no thumbs up button, it's in the left corner. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you show this to your mom or dad whenever it's posted, even tomorrow, because it's Mother's Day. Show her any day you want. But make sure it's Mother's Day. Bye-bye.